Hey guys, welcome back to our techies, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix boot loop problem on Sony Xperia device. So this is a Sony phone, and the problem is that the phone was stuck on this boot loop screen. It's just completely stuck on this some Sony like live wallpaper screen. It's just running on and goes on. It's continuous, but it does not boots on properly. So that's the main problem which I have seen with this phone. That is, you can see again it's auto rebooted again. So that's a major problem on which is most common problem is running on all these Sony Xperia phones. So this is not a very tough to fix that problem, but in the new Sony Xperia Companion the method is a little bit changes, so you can check it out there, and this will definitely work, and it will also solve the XXX0C600 error problem on Sony Xperia Companion. So it's rebooting again and again, it's just booting on again and again, just simply. So first of all, make sure which Xperia phone you have. In some phones, try to completely turn off your phone with holding the power button, volume up and down key with holding both three at the same time for 10 to 15 seconds. If the phone will be off. And in some phones like Sony Xperia E3, C3, M3, in the M3, M2, in this kind of phones you require to turn it off with so here it is a back cover, and there is a button that is a off button. You can press it simply with a pin, simply press over it and the phone will be off. So that's it, simple. In these are the some models of Sony Xperia. You can check it out by just searching for this small little hole button. Now after that, simply recover it, and for that you require a original cable or a high quality cable which comes with the phone, or any other brand like Samsung or any other good brands cable. So simply take the cable, and here it is. Simply take it and simply connect here, and first on the PC select it. First on the PC select the software repair, and then my device cannot be detected started. Just simply check mark it and jump on the next screen. This is the new changes which is comes on the Sony Xperia Companion of 2018. So just simply check it now which device you have. If you have smartwatch, Xperia touch, Xperia Pods, or Xperia phone or tablet, then select according to that. So it's a Sony Xperia phone, so selecting it and simply next and check mark it and next. And the initializing process will takes around approx 10 to 15 minutes. It depends on the computer. Just like if you are doing it first time on your computer, then it will definitely takes up to 10 minutes. So just check it out simply. So and initializing. And this Xperia Companion works on all the operating systems, like it's also work on Mac, it's also work on Windows, all the operating system, most probably all the operating system except the expired one, that is XP. So this is for when this screen will appear, that is Xperia software repair. Make sure if disconnected device is disconnected. So at that time simply hold this volume down button, and with holding simply connect it with the USB, with the computer USB and USB port, and just plug it and just wait for, and this beep will be appear. So and after that this the screen will appear, that is important information. It will delete all the information from the phone except the SD card content. Means the the all the content whichever is stored on the phone storage, all will be deleted. So that's it. I understand it that my personal content will be lost, so I have to check mark it and then next. So your Xperia is ready to prepared. Once next installation will begin, you cannot use during the repair. So next. So now the repairing Xperia device has been started, the process of repairing, and this process will takes around like 30 to 1 hour. It's completely depend on the network speed of your computer, internet speed of your computer. So, and the important thing is that it's also depends on the like phone model. In some model the file is up to 3 GB, and in some model it's only one, so it depends on that also. And as my phone, I already flashed these phones, this kind of phones many times, so all these flash files are stored on this, so it does not take so much for me. And the phone here, and let's see. Okay. So it's now completed successfully. The software repair completed successfully. Version 18.5.b.0.26 r5b. So now simply disconnect the device and turn it on. Okay. So you can hear the sound now. So it's done. So that's it. That the simple way. In that way you can easily fix your um, a Sony boot loop problem. And this is the same way you can also fix the if any error which is obtained while doing this flashing with EMA or other flashing software. You can simply use the Xperia Companion to flash your Sony device simply. So that's it. The phone was started completely. So if this worked for you, then please click on thumbs up and don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Thanks for watching this.